was fortunate enough to get a mirror off the wall in a bathroom, and we want to reuse it with this fancy frame that I built and my wife finished. And you're not gonna, okay.
You can see it in the frame.
Oh, okay. Awesome. This frame that we built and finished, but it needs to fit flat against the wall, and so we certainly can't just install it with all this thick liquid nails residue. So I looked online, found that one suggested method of removing liquid nails from a mirror is heat gun, and I was skeptical, but it really ended up being one of my only options because I couldn't get my hands on the chemicals that are recommended. And so I tried it. It's working like a charm. Wasn't much video evidence of it online, so I figure you YouTubers need to see this. So here we go. Now let me show you this. This here is kind of a problem. So now we're ready to really scrape it. A little sideways motion assists with it, to be sure.
Wow, they're still hot.
Yeah. If you do this right here and get into the red, you're in very dangerous territory. I'm going to paint that. There's right there, it kind of is a two-way mirror right there, and when I paint it black or gray again, it'll be fine. It really, you can't see any problem from the other side, but you can shine a flashlight through and see it vaguely on the other side. So when you get into that red, you're in dangerous territory. That was my first attempt. So when doing this, don't do that, because It's very close at that point.
Oh.